just a quick note on my setup here before we really get tearing into this. You know what I'm going to do is I was thinking, should I use Dreamweaver for this or, this kind of thing? I want you to get much more comfortable at hand coding. You got to get comfy hand coding. And if you're paranoid about code, I don't know what to say. You just got to kind of somehow get over it and get comfy with code. So I've decided here on the Mac to work inside TextEdit, plain code, straight up code, this kind of thing. This is very similar to the setup that I used for the recording of 10-ton XHTML, if you check that out. But if you want to follow along with me, that's just fine. You can use Dreamweaver. That's totally cool. Or you can use another application if you want. If you're on the PC side, you can use Notepad if you want. Don't use Word. Don't use, what is it on the PC side? WordPad or something like that? Don't use that. Stick with Notepad. Now, if you are on the Mac, as I am, and if you are going to use TextEdit, I got to throw something off of you real quick here. Inside your preferences for TextEdit, underneath Open and Save, make sure to turn on Ignore Rich Text commands in HTML files, and then underneath New Document, make sure to set this guy to plain text. You may need to set those preferences and then quit out of TextEdit and relaunch it. Hopefully that's all cool. And beyond that, what else have I done here? I've created a really super fast down and dirty HTML page with a simple head area, an empty internal style sheet, just the open and closing style tags there, and then my body, which presently is empty other than, what's up? So that's about it. It's just really down and dirty and simple. Again, this is going to be kind of a different sort of process for me anyway. And what I've done, I've already saved this file. I saved them on my desktop as index.html. And I've got this file opened up inside Chrome. I'm going to use Chrome for my recording here. And that's about it. That's pretty much the extent of my setup. So before we really get rolling here, you might want to take 2 seconds and create for yourself a new blank HTML file, either in TextEdit, Notepad, something like that, or in Dreamweaver, or wherever you are. And next up, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the basics of floating. We're going to scratch it all the way back and go all the way back to the beginning. Forget about everything you know about CSS layouts, and we're going to start over with basic floating. Let's check it out.